Today's recipe, cauliflower leaves mashed. It's so delicious. Everyone will love it. Cauliflower leaves. Wash before cut. Cut into a small pieces. Done. Cauliflower leaves put in a pot. Add water to cups. Cover and boil until water dry. Boiled. Transfer to the blender jar. Make a paste. Mustard oil, a half cup. Onion, a third cup. Some red and green chili. Stir and fry, few seconds. Minced garlic, 2 tablespoons. Stir. Salt to taste. Black cumin, 1 teaspoon. Shaw cumin, 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry. Chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon. Small shrimp, a 1/3 cup. Stir and mix. Break the shrimp with spatula. Add blended cauliflower leaves. Mix well. Cook 5 to 6 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Mix it. Almost done. Add mustard oil, 1 tablespoon. Mix. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.